Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a kind of a video where we're going to talk about that new start menu experience in Windows 10. It has a lot of reactions among the viewers on the channel here and a lot of reactions in general. And one of the things, of course, that a lot of you have been mentioning is how, Microsoft should stop tweaking these things and maybe do better at other aspects of Windows 10. We can all talk about what we want to have change and what we like and don't like. I think, if you ask 30 different person what they would change in Windows 10, you would have 30 different answers. And one of the things that, if I had to rant here, is, if you look at the new start menu experience, you look at this and you're like, yeah, but I'm not sure, and I don't see what's that different. The icons are different. They are redesigned a little more colorful, but at the same time, it's an icon in a tile, and they kind of hint that maybe they want to remove live tiles at some point, but they're still icons in a tile, so why don't you remove the tile and have icons and just let us, move the icons? I don't know. This is if you have to have tiles, well, why don't you fill the tile with a design of the icon, not a icon within a tile? This is kind of weird. And I don't think that's necessarily the best design or redesign of the start menu in the world. A lot of people are mentioning, how there are some things from the past that seem almost better. There's some positive in Windows 10 and then some of the new items and the new things we see, the new settings and so on. But there's, of course, some of the things that you look at and you're wondering, why did they design this like this? So I don't know. This will come eventually. Will probably be in 20H2, which is this fall. Let's hope they tweak it more and make it better. And until now, of course, a lot of you have also mentioned one thing, is that these new tiles are stuck in a blue background, which is also kind of funny. I've changed my theme here in Windows 10 to be green. The only one that actually is green is Cortana. Has changed green, but all the new tiles, they're all blue, and nothing changes that. Yes, we could argue it's kind of a joke, but anyways, we'll see as time goes by what's going to happen with these tiles and what's going to, they're going to surely tweak the tiles and make this more advanced and better and follow your color theme within Windows. But until then, let's, we'll see what's going to happen with the future of these tiles and the start menu. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.